The S24 Ultra will feature symmetrical bezels, which means that all four sides of the Galaxy S24 Ultra will look the same, and this is the first ever Galaxy device to feature symmetrical bezels. Not only that, but the bezels of the Galaxy S24 Ultra are one of the smartest bezels in the Android world. According to S24, the bezels of the S24 Ultra will be around 1.5 mm, and if you want to compare it to the S23 Ultra, look at the bottom bezel, which is 40% smaller on the S24 Ultra than the S23 Ultra, and even the selfie shooter, which is smaller and moves down a little. Not only that, but we also have new screen protectors for the entire Galaxy S24 lineup, which have extremely small bezels and confirm the flat display on the S24 Ultra. Aside from the S24, we are also going to see a new display technology in the S24 Ultra and color options, and there is one special edition S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be available in 7 different colors. These are the new color options for the S24 Ultra: yellow, violet, gray, and black, and according to S24, there are some additional colors: green, blue, and orange, as well as one special color coming to the S24 Ultra, a golden version with a golden middle frame. If you didn't know, the S24 Ultra is going to feature a titanium frame, therefore a golden titanium will be cool. S24 stated that the S24 Ultra is going to feature HDR photographs in the photo album, comparable to Ultra HDR. With Android 14, Google introduced this feature, allowing you to not only capture HDR pictures, but also view HDR photographs in photos that previously only supported HDR. Along with this, we are going to see new display technology on the whole Galaxy S24 family, a new M13 display, and these new screens are going to feature a 2500 nits of peak brightness, up from 1750 nits on the S23 Ultra. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.